Guangdong YIREN Mochi Maker Production Line. Automatic Mochi Steam Dough Mixer with self-cleaning function. Can produce 150 kilograms or 300 kilograms at one time. Equipped with turbine and vortex rod reduction motors and automatic clamshells, reducing work intensity and ensuring high safety standards. Utilizes a hard gear reducer motor for high power, low noise operation with a beautiful appearance and fine workmanship. Includes a fault self-diagnosis function with clear fault display for easy troubleshooting. With man-machine interface, it is convenient and quick to set parameters. Mochi Maker machines can be connected to production lines to produce pastries such as mochi, Beijing snacks, Ledigan, etc. Production of 40 to 100 per minute. Machine with frequency converter and PLC controlled motor. Sanitary design with 300 for stainless steel and food grade conveyor belt. Mechanical parts designed for quick disassembly, facilitating cleaning and maintenance. Welcome to order.